Welcome. I am Padmini, lecturer, Department of Computer Science. Today, I am going to explain about computer networks. The introduction to computer networks. Computer network is a group of computers that is used for the communication. A computer network may be defined as an interconnected collection of computers. The computers are interconnected in order to exchange their information. The best known computer network is the Internet, which is also called as the global network or networks of network. In a simple word, a network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share the resources. Data communication. Data communication is the exchange of information, data, or information between two devices via some form of transmission medium. Communication system is made up of a combination of hardware and software. The meaning of hardware is the peripheral components of the computer, whereas the definition of software is the set of instructions and codings. The effectiveness of data communication system depends upon the accuracy of data and delivery of data. Data communication has basic 5 components: message, sender, receiver, medium, and protocol. Message. Data message. It is an information. Sender. Device which sends the data message. Receiver. Device which receives the data message. Medium. Physical path by which a message travels from the sender to the receiver. And protocol. Set of rules and regulation that governs the data communication. Datagram, a small packet of information where the information travels from source node to the destination node. The packets are divided into small pieces of information and sent in the sequential order. If there is any problem or traffic in the path, immediately it selects the another part. This process is called as the routing. Routing, it is the process of selecting a path for a traffic in the network. So, this diagram represents that the destination node will not give any acknowledgement to the source node. In this particular diagram, the datagrams are defined as small chunks of information. In this place, the information travels in the sequential order from source node to the destination node. In back, the destination node will send the acknowledgement to the source node. In this place, we have a called router. So it is the network device that forwards data packet between computer networks. Datagram, data in packets, data units. The whole data is divided into small chunks, which is also known as the packet. Each packets are treated independently. Packets arrive at the destination through various routes. Packets are reordered and reassembled at the destination. Types of network. There are different types of network. LAN, which defines as the local area network. WAN, wide area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. Local area network. LAN is a computer network that interconnects the computer within a limited area. The examples are residence, school, lab, and university. LAN is a collection of devices connected together in one physical location, such as a building, office, or home. Home Wi-Fi networks and small business networks are the common examples of LAN. Local area network is a computer network that spans relatively a small area. LAN has high data transfer rate. The design and maintenance of LAN is relatively very simple. Wide Area Network WAN. Wide Area Network is a telecommunication network that extends over a large geographical area. A wide area network is a collection of LAN or other networks that communicate with one another, which covers a broad area. Wide area network is a large computer network that connects a group of computers over a large distance. Wide area network, the data transfer rate is low comparative to your local area network, and the design and the maintenance of WAN is relatively difficult comparative to the LAN. Metropolitan Area Network is basically a bigger version of LAN and normally uses similar technology. MAN is designed to extend over an entire city. MAN is a computer network that connects the computer within a metropolitan area. Metropolitan area, it has a high speed link between LAN within a MAN is possible by fiber optic connection. Transmission mode. The term transmission mode is used to define the direction of signal flow between two linked devices. There are three types of transmission mode: simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Transmission mode simplex. In a simplex mode, the communication is unidirectional as on a one-way street. Only one of the two stations on a link can transmit, the other can only receive. Keyboard and monitor are the examples for the simplex device. Keyboard is used to enter the input and monitor is used to project the output. Half duplex. In the half duplex mode, each station can transmit and receive, but not at the same time. When one device is sending, the other can only receive, and vice versa. Full duplex transmission mode. In the full duplex transmission mode, both stations can transmit and receive simultaneously. Full duplex communication can go both ways at the same time. Data link control and protocol concepts. Data link layer is concerned with the transfer of digital data over a link. Communication requires at least two devices working together, one to send and one to receive. Error control and flow control are the two important functions required to establish and maintain the effective communication. Data link control and protocol concept. In this, the data link layer is the second layer of the OSI model, Open System Interconnection Model. Data link characters are used to establish the beginning and end of the messages, acknowledgement of transmissions, error responses, and station identification. The link can be point-to-point physical circuit or a radio-based channel or physical link or a logical link through a switch network. Error control defines how a station checks frame for the error and what it does if it finds the error. Flow control defines the way in which many frames are sent and tracked and how the stations do error control. In this place, the meaning of the protocol is the set of rules that governs the operation of functional units to achieve the communication. Error control data link layer based on automatic repeat request. Retransmission of the data. When the retransmission of data occurs, damaged frame. Information is altered during the transmission. Lost frame. The frame fails to reach the destination. Lost acknowledgement. Acknowledgement fails to arrive at the source. Failed to reach the source node. Flow control. Flow control is the technique which implies on the data link layer that tells the sender how much data it can transmit before it and wait for an acknowledgement from the receiver. Stop and wait flow control techniques have been developed to control the flow of data across the communication link. Stop and wait flow control. The sender waits for an acknowledgement from the receiver after every frame which is transmitted by the source. It indicates the willingness of the receiver to accept another frame by sending back an acknowledgement to the sender. The source must wait until it receives the acknowledgement before sending the next frame. Stop and wait flow control. In this place, the destination can stop the flow of data simply by holding the acknowledgement. The advantage of stop and wait flow control is simplicity. The advantages are each frame is checked and acknowledged before the next frame is sent. In stop and wait flow control, the sending station must not send the frame at a faster rate than the receiving station. The disadvantages of stop and wait flow control is very slow. Each frame must travel all the way to the receiver and an acknowledgement must travel all the way back before the next frame can send. Thank you.